So, you want to dscan something. The first thing you need to do is open up the dscan. You can find the dscan down by the HUD over here. Click Scanners and go into dscan. You can also see the shortcut for the dscan pop up next to the name there. So, here we have our dscan. Right now the dscan is set to a range of 14.3 AU and an angle of 360 degrees. The filtering up here can be changed depending on all the filters you have. Mine is just set to show ships at the moment. Now you can go ahead and open up the solar system map and resize it so you can see better. What you see here now is a big bubble. That's because the angle is set to 360 degrees. If you drag this slider to something else, you can get 90 degrees or something less or more. If you rotate your view, you can see the thing moves around. So if you can see something in space, like on your overview, you can go to that direction and scan that direction. For example, here you have some stations and stuff. So if you point the camera towards that and hit scan, you will see the ships that are over in that direction. You can also do it in another way, which I think is a bit simpler, by using the map here. So if you want to check what's next to the sun here, for example, you can turn your ship like this, but that's not as simple as I want it to be. If you hover over a scan button, you can see the directional scan and the hotkey. If you see the bottom one there, if you hold down that key and then click something on the map here, for example the sun, it will turn that direction and scan the sun for you. In this case, within this cone, it detected 3 ships. So, if you now want to scan something else and don't want to use the map here, you can also go from your overview here. You can actually see things pop up in the map as well. So if we choose this one, hold down the V key and click it, it will scan that direction, which again shows all the ships in that direction. So, I saw a couple of ventures, and I want to find out where they are. Right now I'm scanning this direction, or this angle of 360, that's the sphere, as well as a range of 14.3 AU. If we turn down the range until we can't see the ventures anymore, and then turn it back up 1, you can get a general idea of the range the ventures are in. So somewhere between 1 and 5. Now we need to find the direction. If we turn the angle down to 180, we can see they're not in this half sphere. So if we turn the sphere around sort of like this and hit the scan button again, you can see they're somewhere in this sphere. Now we can keep turning the angle down until we don't see them anymore. So they're somewhere in this sphere. As you can see, there's an asteroid field here and an asteroid field here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the angle down and guess which one. So I'm gonna hold down the V key and click this one. And I can see there's a venture somewhere over here. If you click on the map, you can see this closer. So we can zoom in and see this is the belt IX, or belt 9, I think, yeah. And if we go to our mining overview, you can see there's only one mining belt over there. So if we keep turning down the angle as well, you can see they're still there at an angle of 5 degrees. Keep in mind, if there's anything in front of or behind, but still inside the cone, you will see that as well. Also, since this is the smallest cone we can get, if there had been several asteroid belts over here, we would have gotten every asteroid belt inside the cone. So then we would have to fly around and try to pinpoint. But at this point I'm pretty sure the Venture is over here. So we can go and check and see if I'm actually correct that the Venture is over there. And there wasn't a Venture over here. Did he just fly off? Ah, he just came back, so he must have just been over at the station. But yeah, here's the Venture we saw. And this is the same name for the Venture. So yeah, that's how you dscan. So a quick recap. You can hold down the V key and click stuff in your overview to scan in that direction. Just keep in mind you need to have the correct range and check that stuff is actually inside here. If you set it to the shortest range, you won't actually scan that much, but it can be useful when you want to pinpoint things like inside this, for example. So you can click it by holding V and clicking inside the map, or clicking on the overview. That's the easiest way to find people. Just keep in mind you have to have range, and everything inside the cone, not just the thing you click, will be scanned down by dscan. So hope that helps.